Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we swipe to the right, tap on settings, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Here under the privacy section, we tap on the first option, phone number, and here we can set who can see our phone number and who can view it. Then we can add some exceptions as well, and we can select either everybody, my contacts, or nobody. After we have selected our option, we can just tap on the OK button in the top right corner and it's going to be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.